Hey everyone, these are the 3 mistakes newbies make at the whiteboard and how not to make them. Mistake number 1, racing with your finger before the ink has dried. Okay, so what you do is you like that, and then someone comes along and they have a smudge right there. So that's really not very good. So what you want to do is when you make a mistake, you want to give it 1, 2, 3, and then come back around with your finger. It doesn't leave a smudge, and then you fix it up like that. Hey, mistake number 2, standing in front of your board. If you have something important to write, and you're standing in front of your board, all they can see is the back of your head. What you need to do is step out of the way and try to write as an angle while leaving somebody to see the board right here. So when you want to write something important, people can see it and they can connect with you at the time that you write it. So move out of the way as you write these things. And mistake number 3 would be writing straight. Now, a lot of people don't understand how just the basics of writing straight. So the first thing you do is use what's called a pinky post. Put your pinky up there, post it like that, and you can write straight by moving over in the direction of your writing. And what you do by doing that is you put your pinky down and it allows you to post it right there and move your way across. This takes a little practice, but it doesn't take much to learn how to write straight, which makes a great board. Be sure to follow us on Palace Pens so that you can get more tips and tricks that you can do to elevate your career, your profession, whatever it is you're trying to do at the whiteboard. PalacePens.com. We'll see you there. Bye.